Welcome to another video in my Idioms and Phrasal Verbs series. Today we are diving into expressions about emotions, perfect for describing how you really feel in English. Make sure to check out the other videos in this series for more useful expressions. Over the moon. She was over the moon when she got the job. Extremely happy. Down in the dumps. He's been down in the dumps since he lost his job. Feeling very sad or depressed. Butterflies in your stomach. I had butterflies in my stomach before the big presentation. Feeling nervous or excited. Seeing red. She was seeing red when she found out she's been lied to. Very angry. Walking on air. After hearing the good news, she was walking on air. Feeling very happy or joyful. Beside yourself. He was beside himself with worry when his dog went missing. Extremely upset or emotional. Bite someone's head off. Sorry for biting your head off earlier. I was really stressed. React angrily and unfairly to someone. Cry over spilled milk. It's done now. There's no use crying over spilled milk. Be upset about something that can't be changed. All ears. I'm all ears. Tell me what happened. Fully listening and eager to hear. Lose your temper. He lost his temper when the waiter brought the wrong order. Suddenly become very angry. Have a lump in your throat. Watching the farewell video gave me a lump in my throat. Feel strong emotion, especially sadness. Be on cloud 9. When they announced the bonus, we were on cloud 9. Extremely happy or excited. A face like thunder. He walked in with a face like thunder after the argument. Looking very angry. Go to pieces. She went to pieces when she heard the bad news. Become very emotional or unable to cope. Wear your heart on your sleeve. He wears his heart on his sleeve so you always know how he's feeling. Show emotions openly. Green with envy. She was green with envy when she saw their new house. Very jealous. As cool as a cucumber. Even under pressure, she stays as cool as a cucumber. Very calm and composed. Tear your hair out. I've been tearing my hair out trying to fix this issue. Feel extremely frustrated or stressed. Jump for joy. The kids jumped for joy when school was cancelled. Be extremely happy. Sick to your stomach. I was sick to my stomach when I heard about the accident. Feeling very upset or disgusted. Shake like a leaf. He was shaking like a leaf before his big speech. Trembling from fear or nervousness. Be all over the place. Her emotions were all over the place after the breakup. Feeling unstable or overwhelmed. Have your heart in your mouth. I had my heart in my mouth as they announced the winner. Feel very nervous or anxious. Blow a fuse. He blew a fuse when he found out he's been overcharged. Get very angry suddenly. Be in high spirits. Despite the rain, the team was in high spirits. Be cheerful and positive. Thanks for watching. Now that you know these idioms for emotions, try using them in conversation. And stay tuned. Next week, I'll be posting a fun story where all these idioms come to life in a hilarious Valentine's Day mix-up.